I was thinking that tugira obwire tutandike kugambira abantu on the right things to do, but not just tell them kuzara because ntukimanya gye twene ebyafera. People die, people are born. Konka waza kwetegereza yes namazima asabana zabo bingi bo konka okuto umuntu kikora because naza kushanga zirwe umwana umuzire wenda kuzara babiri warazana. If you don't like civilize and sensitize masses about that ebintu ebi twatawasa kugambira abantu then yenda kugambira ngo uza kukobwire ushanje ensi ryaho and we already have ekikizo bukiri mu mahanga mingi munonga ga Europe ekyo kureba ihanga ka Russia hatu batandike kuteka incentives kureba how best can we encourage people to produce and be ekindi nahabaho nkekibakweta extinction ebintu nibiwaho nahaba icyo bakweta annihilation ekintu so nabo icyo nekintu kikuru munonga kandi nemwanshonga technologically agamanga gona nagaza umwanya abo kuba each of them kebe India kebe China buri mari nagezaho okombeka a separate international space station okureba ngo batwara abantu ahigurokwe abo kuba joint America na Russia na Uganda batwenda bakoza hamweji etwireho ngo baza kureba because of the expansion programs z'amahanga gagine na no kwenda kweyongera. Of course harimo n'icya competition buri umwe na competing akwana we yazamutwe gwabandi kandi nesente bazine because they plan now India, China, United States, Russia at least buri umwe muri yabo na yereka ngo ine capacity yo kombeka international space station wenka kandi akahikayo akakora byakwenda akagaruka. Now niba competing on bintu byinji munonga how they are intending to get people to get more countries as friends abo wenda kutunga ubustari bw'ibintu byabo nebindi so nabwecho ko kuza kushanga washanga ngo the two leaders are planning to meet Xi Jinping and Narendra Modi, Prime Minister wa India. Njibancho manisa ngo haruho enshonga mpango mnonge kwata manga gabo eziba kwenda okutereza aho nawo.